Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching Digit5. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the dots under app icon. I'll also know what is it. So if you have noticed a small dots under some app icon in dock, you might be wondering whether they are notifications or if something is wrong with your Mac. These dots are actually open app indicators. They simply show which apps are currently running. Even if a window is closed, and app continue running in the background, then the dot lets you know it's still open. If you don't find the indicators useful, you can also easily hide them without affecting how you use the app. So if you'd like to remove the dots, here's what to do. First, click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock, and finally disable the toggle right to show indicators for open applications. And as you can see here, the dots are gone. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.